Introducing the Members Mark Northern Slate 5-burner Propane Gas Island Grill, which is the centerpiece of your backyard to make your neighbors envy your lifestyle. Built to last with premium 304 stainless steel, this beauty is made to handle the elements. No more rusting out after a few seasons. This grill is here to last. Grilling after dark? No problem. LED backlit knobs keep you in control, day or night. High-quality SS304 stainless with cast aluminum end caps to guarantee longevity of the grill to stand for years to come. No more rust grill in few seasons. Stainless cooking grids. Pro-style stainless cooking grids mean perfect sears, every time. With a massive 999.4 square inches of total cooking area, you can cook for the whole crew. And with 40,000 BTUs of grilling power, this grill brings the heat. The 12,000 BTU rotisserie burner delivers intense, even heat for restaurant-quality roasting. Plus, we've included a premium stainless 304 rotisserie kit, because why settle for less? Not just a grill. This cast iron griddle adds 234 square inches of extra cooking space. Smash burgers, seared steaks, weekend brunch, you name it, this grill does it. The restaurant-quality vibration finish stainless countertop isn't just elegant, it's anti-fingerprint and easy to clean, keeping your outdoor kitchen looking flawless. Keep your space organized with large storage drawers. No more running back and forth to the kitchen. The built-in trash bin keeps things neat and tidy. And when it's time to clean up, the front pull-out grease tray makes it effortless. With built-in grill lights, the party doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Adjustable leveling legs allows you to level the grill island on uneven outdoor space. This isn't just a grill, it's an outdoor kitchen masterpiece. A statement, a lifestyle, one that makes your backyard the envy of the neighborhood. Upgrade your outdoor lifestyle. Get yours today.